Okay, so I'm back at my dad's. Hit the parts store up, test fit. Not sure if this is going to be the swap. It'll definitely be a test fit. So to make things easy, I'm going to go ahead and walk through this, and then I'll just set up a time lapse. You're an 8 mil there, 8 mil there, and then just go ahead and unplug this vacuum line. We're going to hold off on that one. It might have a little squeeze clamp, or it might just slide on and off. I'm not sure yet. Go ahead and unplug your TPS, IAC, and your coil pack wires, and then we'll meet back after that. We'll go from there. Okay, so we've got those things disconnected. I went ahead and disconnected the map sensor. I think I left that out. The next thing that we're going to do is check out this vacuum line. We'll go ahead and get these cables pulled off. We'll unbolt the coil pack itself, and then we'll grab these two vacuum lines, and I think we're just going to start bolting it. So those are all 8 mil bolts, and again, I'll set up the time lapse, come back to you. Okay, so we have all of our sensors unplugged. We got the throttle cable bracket unbolted, the manifold unbolted. It should just pop right up. I think I'm gonna have to disconnect this, but after that, should just pop right up. As you can see, just laid the stuff off to the side. Yeah, I mean, you don't need to fully remove it if you don't have to. So, yeah, let's get into it. Okay, well, I should have just taken a video with how short that took. The manifold just popped right off. There's nothing on the underside of this, so this is just free floating. And then I did forget this did just slide off. There may have been, no, it looks like that was just slid on from the factory. Obviously it needs to be replaced. I got some hosing, so yeah, this is just, I didn't do the cold air intake install, so this extension right here, the fact that they got new piping and they didn't replace the whole section, I have a filter for this anyways, so this will be going too. Let's get back into it. Okay, so I got everything put back together. Unfortunately, my phone was at 5%, so I didn't get to film that, but yeah, everything's back together. Just put it back together in the reverse order that you took it apart. Easy as that.